Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. قال النبي صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم من استمع إلى آية من كتاب الله تعالى كتب له حسنة مضاعفة ومن تلاها كانت له نورا يوم القيامة. Whoever listens to a verse of the Quran, Allah writes it as an added deed for him, and whoever recites it, it will be a light for him on the day of judgment. In today's lesson, we will learn a new rule of tajweed about noon sakin and tanween, which is called Iqlab. That means to convert. What are we going to convert? Very simple. Noon sakin and tanween, when we have ba after that, there will be a small meme over there. So we will convert it into meme, and the meme will be recited with a gunna, that means with a nasal sound. For example, here we have min, and here we have ba after that, right? But when we recite, there will be conversion of ba into meme, and then we will recite it as mim bad, mim bad. Ba is there, but what happened? We created a sound of meme with gunna, nasal sound. So we recite it as mim bad. Similarly, meme, noon sakin, and then we have ba after that. So when we recite it, it becomes man bakhila, man bakhila. Similarly, noon sakin and ba after that, so it will be recited as be'uni, be'uni. And here, bidam bihim, bidam bihim. Now, it can occur within the word. When we talked about idgham, we said that we have to have two separate letters, but here it can occur within the letter as well. So we have noon, and after that we have ba, noon sakin and ba. So it will be recited as be'uni. Similarly, when we have tanween, and after tanween we have ba, again there will be Iqlab conversion. So حِلٌّ بِهَذَا, حِلٌّ بِهَذَا. Here, tanween, after that we have ba, so it will be recited as كِرَامٍ بَرَرَةٍ, كِرَامٍ بَرَرَةٍ. And here, tanween again, and we have ba after that, so it will be recited as أَمَدًا بَعِيدًا, أَمَدًا بَعِيدًا. بعيدة because I stopped. If I don't stop, it will be أَمَدًا بَعِيدًا. But when I stop, it will be أَمَدًا بَعِيدًا. Alright, so today's rule is very simple, that after noon sakin and tanween, whenever we have ba, there will be a small meme. Also, we will find it written in the mushaf. So it will be written there as well. So we will pronounce meme over there with gunna. Alright, today the reminder is in the form of homework. I request you to memorize Ain Ha and Ghain Kha. I would like you to memorize these 6 throat letters: Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, and Ghain, Kha, because the next rule will be based on these letters. I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make it easier for us. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.